how to do it.
You'll soon find out.
Oh, thanks a lot. What? Oh my god.
Make sure the blades are the right way round, Mung.
I hate racing boats. Jesus.
And for today's entertainment,
Jesus Christ, thanks a lot, mate.
the blades are in the wrong way.
No, they're not.
They are.
Are they? Have I got it the wrong way around?
Yeah.
So I've got to flip it. That better?
That's better.
This is only going to end in tears.
Let's hope so.
Oh my god.
How disappointed. How disappointed am I? That's better. That's my boy.
Fucking freezing. Thanks.